Only live once, live life, live life. Ay. How can something so wrong feel right?
Oh, but honey don't taste like summer no more. Stick around now, miss you every night. And we could pass time moving left to right. Yeah. Think about when life.
So straight to the video, I'm taking my B2W Clairol and my 40 volume developer, and you're going to need a brush and a coloring bowl, also with some gloves. Make sure you guys use gloves. But this is the girl, my lady friend, that I will be working with today. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just going to start off by applying the bleach. I already mixed it. Just mix it to the consistency that you're going for. That's basically all I can tell you guys. But yeah, I'm sorry I wasn't in focus. I didn't know I wasn't in focus when I was recording this video. But yeah, I'm just going to apply that bleach all over this unit. I did take each section into 4 sections as I applied it, just to saturate the bleach all the way through the hair so it can get on all strands of the hair. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch this process and I'll be right back. Yeah, you guys, I forgot to mention, but this hair is from Your Hair Plug. So I'll leave all of the information, the specs and details down in the description bar, how you can order this hair. And yeah, so okay, so after I applied the bleach, I'm going to just let it sit with some aluminum foil, and I just put the aluminum foil at the end because I want the ends to kind of be a little brighter than the top. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that sit. As you guys can see, the color has changed. I let it sit on it about 30 to 45 minutes. So yeah, this is the result. So I'm about to wash it out, and ta-da! This is the finished color. I just love this color, you guys. And yeah, the hair is still wet at this moment, but yeah, it came out perfect. This is the exact color that I was going for. I didn't want it to be too dark and I didn't want it to be too light. So I'll be back when it dries. And now I'm drying. I am fully dry. So yeah, look at this color in the light, you guys. I just love the way this color turned out. You see the undertones, the different color tones, the orange and the yellow, and I did use the purple shampoo to get out the brassiness of the, you know, the orangey look. So I did apply that. Yeah, so I'm just taking some argan oil and I'm just going to apply a small amount on the palms of my hand. I'm just going to rub it and massage it all the way in just to give it a little shine. I didn't want it to be, you know, too oily or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what type of hair videos you guys want to see next, and I'll see you.
Pretty, mommy.
Thank you. You're pretty too. I look like you.
I look like you.
Yeah.
Goose gang, goose gang, goose gang.